In today's video, I'll show you guys the fix for Java file opening as a WinRAR file. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let us begin. First, what you'll have to do is open your control panel. So go to your search bar and search for control panel. After you open control panel, you'll see the programs option. Tap on programs and you'll be presented with two options. Now, tap on default programs. Now you'll get redirected to your settings, and here what you'll have to do is scroll down all the way down till you see the related settings option. Now right here, open choose defaults by file type. Now open choose defaults by file type, and here you'll get a long list of all the file types in your device. So just search for jar in the bar above and just wait for it to search it. Now here you can see we have located the Java file. Now what you'll have to do is open it up. Now here what you'll have to do is select a default app for jar file. Now in your case, what you might have selected is WinRAR archiver. So make sure that you select the Java platform SE binary. If you don't get it, just scroll down and just select it. Now also keep in mind that you must have Java installed previously so that you can select this option. And after you do that, just tap on set default and your problem will get fixed. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you fix your Java files opening as a WinRAR files. Now your Java files will open as .jar. So yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.